I'm ZeNN, the founder of ZeNN. ZeNN is an AI company where we combine the power of mathematics and the magic of machine learning to solve industry-specific problems that in the past seemed unsolvable. We use the data, which is an underused, valuable resource almost in every company, to learn from the past, predict the future, optimize, and solve problems with great value. Food waste is a major problem with ever-increasing significance. It poses a threat to many of the sustainable goals of the United Nations. And here are some numbers that show the size of this problem. 1.3 billion tons of food is thrown yearly, which is equivalent to 1 billion meals daily. This results in 3.3 billion tons of annual carbon dioxide emissions, while a third of humanity faces food insecurity. In the hospitality sector, 65% of waste comes from restaurants, cafes, and hotels. And this is where Foodcast comes in. Foodcast offers the best solution for grocery retailers and food chains to reduce their waste. Foodcast calculates the right quantity at the right time. Imagine if you can predict the daily demand with an accuracy of 90%. This is what Foodcast can do, a tailored demand forecast of highly perishable products to balance supply and reduce waste. These are snapshots of the deployment of Foodcast in the food industry to forecast the daily, hourly demand of chicken consumption to optimize the supply and minimize the waste. In addition to the demand forecasting, other features were added to the Foodcast, such as market basket analysis, which unlock valuable insights into customer behavior, and customer segmentation, which is your ultimate partner in driving growth, optimizing operations, and elevating customer satisfaction. The size of the food and grocery retail market is around $189 billion. This was an estimate in 2020. With an increase of 6.1% yearly, this market size can reach up to $253.4 billion. Considering that, on the average, a grocery retailer or a food chain loses $2,000 per day as waste. If we manage to save $100 daily from their waste, and we have 250 food retailers, that means that our revenue will be around 9 million by 2025. And this can reach up to $73 million if we're able to save $200 daily for 1,000 food retailers. Our competitive advantages in ZeNN are that we combine data science and domain expertise. We use data, which is a very valuable resource, to grow national companies and to build the knowledge of national talents. Regarding Foodcast, it solves the root problem of food waste as it prevents its occurrence, which is 70% of the problem. And this is completely different than other alternatives such as food banks. ZeNN started in 2022 in the oil and gas field, where we developed a forecast management system to predict monthly gas production for Shell in Oman. In August 2022, we started our work in the food industry and created Foodcast as an MVP to reduce waste for one of the big chains in the Middle East. Currently, we have a pipeline of restaurants validating our tool. We are integrated with Dine, a scan and pay app, and we partnered with Food Lab, which is a big cloud kitchen in Egypt with more than 20 brands. We started also solving other problems in the field of dentistry and fintech, and we would like to be one of the top ML companies in the world by 2030. In 2025, we would like to raise $500,000. This money will be used to increase our momentum, market share, and customer acquisition. It will also be used to develop more features and services for Foodcast and to engage young people in building exciting cutting-edge solutions. And now, I'm very excited to introduce you to the key members of ZeNN team. Mahmoud Zohni, our COO, is a chemical engineer with more than 20 years of experience in the oil and gas field. Mohammed Radwan, our CTO, is a senior data scientist with 17 years of experience in IBM as a trainer and developer. And finally me, ZeNN, the founder and CEO of ZeNN. I have a PhD in machine learning and more than 20 years of experience between research and academia. It was always my dream to create opportunities where we can bridge research and industry, and this is what we're currently doing in ZeNN.